ఆడొచ్చు ఏమైంది అక్కడే ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఓకే సార్ బాగుంది దగ్గర వస్తుందా
ఇలా ఇబ్బంది పడ్డా అప్పుడు చెప్తాను.
ఓకేనా ఓకే సార్ అదేనా
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Babu.
So simply the example here, if key is passed, the value will be written. I give it to the main notes. Now look at this value, especially 103. His current balance amount 50,000. After that, 103 deposited 10,000. Then what should happen, please tell me? 103's current balance is 50,000. He deposited 10,000. Then the deposit should be added to the previous year. Okay? How to update that? Simply back off 103 plus equals 10,000. Now just to print the fact and check what is the latest balance of 103. I am running the same statement. Check the things now. Previous balance 50. Now latest balance 60. Similar style. Look at 102. His balance is 30 now. Now he is withdrawing 20,000. Then what should be the latest balance? Already has 30. Now withdrawing 20. That means the amount should be deducted. That means 30 minus 20, latest balance to be 10,000. Let's make this back of 102 minus equals to 20,000. Now check the same. Back of, just printing the back of this after this operation. Let's look at this one. Latest balance previously 30, nowadays 10,000. Okay? Now, I want to read all the keys. That is get out the case. That is I want to get all account numbers in the bank. Simply the statement here, bank dot keys. Running the same. Other here, only keep on account numbers for the account 101, 102, 103. Similarly, I want to get all the values. You can guess what to do. Get all values of the dictionary. That means all balance amounts. Bank dot values. Simply the method here or function. Bank dot values. Okay. Sir, now I have a question. What is the total amount in the bank? Sir, please answer my question, please. What is total amount in the bank? Look at the bank data once again. First account holder has 50,000. Second holder 10,000. Next, total how much? 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 60, 1,20,000. How to get it from the Python? In this way, there can be 3 customers or 300 customers. It can be of anything. How to get total? What is the function for the total circuit? Sum. What is the input for this? All balance amounts. How to get all the balance amounts? Bank dot values. Bank dot values. You will get what is the balance amount? Total 1,20,000, right? Similar to that, one more question I have. Try to answer this. How many customers we have? How many customers in the bank? Sir? Okay, sir, we will answer that one, sir. How many customers in the bank? How to get the result? With the Python. There is no count. Count is in SQL. In Python, similar to count, you have length function. Length means length. Length means number of elements here. The length can be applied on a string, length can be applied on list, and also tuple, and also on dictionary and set also. Simply I am saying that bank, just I am passing dictionary. So probably we have 3 customers. In this way you can read and you can apply different aggregations. You can get all the keys, you can get all the values from the dictionary. Now, the key point here, dictionary is immutable or immutable. Based on the previous examples, is mutable or immutable? No, it's mutable. Because of mutable only, you could able to deposit, you could able to withdraw your money. Understand? That means indirectly you are updating or not. You are able to update means that is immutable object. It allows reading, appending, updating and also deleting. Okay. Now you have 3 customers in the bank. Tomorrow, 1 more customer join in the bank. For example, the task is like this: 104 is a new customer. But at the time of signing up into the bank, he has to deposit something. and deposited 1 lakh. Now how do we add this customer? Bank of the T104 equal to 1 lakh. Previously 104 available in the bank or not? This 104 available in the bank or not? It's not available. During assignment, if given key not available, a new page will be created. A new page will be inserted. Just check this. One more try here. So bank. So this record is inserted, this page is inserted. Check all the customers now. How many customers now? 104 added or not? Okay? Okay. Already update you have seen. If I say something like this, bank of 102 equals to 90,000 I am saying. Now tell me, this 102 available in bank or not? So for insertion, same statement, for updation also same statement I am using. Then how dictionary knows, okay, this is a movement to update, this is a movement to insert. How it knows? If key not available, it will insert. If key already available, it will update. The basic term. Okay? Now previously 102 has an amount of 10,000. Now we are updating this to 90,000. Check this thing. Printing the bank. Look at 102 updated or not? Yes. Next. Currently I have 4 customers in my bank. 103 wants to cancel his account. 103 wants to cancel his account. So the bank is ICICI Bank. Now he doesn't want the account in the bank. That means the account to be removed or not. Okay? To remove account, previously in the list, what statement we have used? Del. Okay? Now here, Del, bank. Which account? 1 year. Understand? In this way, you can remove that particular account also. Now we are removing 103. After this, check the customers. What customers we have? 101, 2, 4. That means 103 got removed. Understand? So now based on all these operations, is this mutable or immutable? Mutable definitely, because allowing all operations right, it's immutable. Okay, these are the operations of dictionary knowledge. Next come to set. The last collection here. What is set? Set is a collection of unique. Unique means no duplicates. Okay? Unique. You can say items or values or whatever it may. A small example, x equal to something, 10, 20, 10, 10, 20, 30, once again 20, once again 30. 30. Total I am passing how many values over here? 7 values. But how many are the unique values here? 3 only, 10, 20, 30. Okay? So finally it takes only unique values only, it won't allow duplicates. Okay? Now just print x. So 10, 20, 30. Everything is only 1 line. Okay. Based on this simple assignment, I have student skills. The first person is from Java, second person from Python, next from DS, I mean data science, DA, data analyst, DA, DA, and DA, and DS. Total how many students I have here? 8 students I have here. These are the primary skill set of each and every student. Got it? Now this is a list object. I want to know how many unique skills are there in my students. So how to get it from the Python? Actually, student skills is list here. I need to convert this into set. Whenever I convert this list object into set, there will be no duplicates. Right? So the question is here, how many unique skills? Among students. Simply first I am converting, let's say new skills. I am converting the above list into set. Set function is used for this. Set of yesterday skills. Up to now, unique skills just check it. Running the set. What happened here? Previously, data analyst repeated 20 times, DS 2 times, and Java 1 time, maybe Python 1 time. Now duplicates are eliminated. But still it is not the answer for our question. Our question is how many? That means I need a number now. Simply apply length function. Lemma new skills. Now all students are from 4 different unique skills here. That is the meaning of it. Understood? So this is about set. Now just compare the symbols. If it is list, what symbol we have used? Square brackets. Tuple, that is brackets, normal brackets. And if it is dictionary, the flower of curly brackets. Set, here also curly brackets. Then what is the difference between the dictionary and set here? In the dictionary, every element is 2 things, key, value, key, colon, value. But here in the set, everything is independent value. Understand? That is the only key difference here. So I feed the things into notes for the set. But yesterday notes will be shared yesterday. Yesterday notes will be shared. Okay. Now almost all the corrections have been done here. Now let's step by step, let's come into our data science goals. I am going to talk about data transformations. So in data science, before building your predictive models, first you need to extract the data, after that the data transformations will perform, especially for cleaning the data. So how to perform the data transformations here? For example, let's look into one simple example, very basic example. I take salaries of few people. Think that we have in your organization there are 5 employees. These are the salaries of the 5 employees. So what exactly the transformation is here is, whenever you want to perform some operation on each element, the operation is called transformation. For example, I want to find tax not only for one person, I want to find tax for all the persons. Okay? The kind of operation is called transformation. So there are two ways to do that. Look into the last one. Find tax, which is 10% on salary. So there are two ways here to do this. Way one, which is a traditional style. First I am preparing my tax as a empty list. Now look at this tax and what is the data type of it? Just by seeing this symbol, what is the data type of it? Is a list, but no values here in that list. Currently that is empty. But my salary is having 5 elements. I am running a loop with that. That's it for yes in salary. How many iterations it will take? How many iterations, how many values here? 5 values. So that is 5 iterations. In the first iteration, what is the value of yes? 10,000. For that 10,000, I am computing the tax. P equal to yes into 0.1. 0.1 means 10%. Suppose in the first iteration the value is 10,000. 10,000 into 0.1, how much? Just 1,000. Okay, now tax is ready. This tax I am going to append to tax. Now the first iteration, what is the value? What is the value of T in the first iteration? Just 1,000. 1,000 appended. In the second iteration, 20,000. For the 20,000, 10,000 means 2,000. The 2,000 will be appended. After that, 3,000 appended. In the fourth iteration, 5,000. And next, 6,000. After completion of the loop, all taxes ready into the tax list are not. Okay? Just confirm this. After completion of this loop, I am printing tax. All taxes ready or not? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 and 6,000. Okay, this is way number 1. But Python has its own exclusive style for it. That is way to simply called as comprehension style. So the style of this one is, what is this? Just empty list. In this list, left side expression, right side for loop. For essay list. Simply I am saying that we in list. By seeing this format, you try to say tax. Left side expression, right side for loop. What is the for loop style in the Python? For yes in salary. At each iteration, salary coming into yes. What should happen to that yes? I want to apply the expression yes into point 1. Now tax rate. Understand? Now similarly, 20% HRA I want to apply. Tell the same style please. Already statement expression that you will give. First expression, that value. Then what is the expression for the HR around 20% I want to apply? Yes, into point. Right? Now check the things. Print all my salaries. I am printing all the taxes and all the HR values. I am printing all the things. So in the way to start directly, two things we are finding out. Check the output here. $10,000 salary. What is this tax? 1,000. HRA, house rent allowance, 2,000. Then what is the net salary, sir, here? If these are the commercials about your salary, how much you will take your home? Nothing. Tax deduction or benefit? Tax deduction. Okay? HRA is benefit that has to be added. Look at the first person, 10,000 minus 1,000, 9,000. 9,000 plus 2, 11,000. 11,000 is your take home. Like this take home value, which is net salary, I want to find for each person here. But the problem is the data is not in single list. The data, the required data is in 3 list. One is salary, second HRA, third tax. But here in Python there is a beautiful technique, jigging. What JIT is doing is element to element mapping period. First one, simple example. Let's say X. I am saying Ravi and Lily. How many persons are here? 2 persons. And Y. Let's say his wife is Vani. Giri's wife, let's say Sweta. I want to map element to element mapping. I want it to do. Element to element mapping is corresponding elements here. Like first element to first element, second to second, like this. If you map first person, if you treat X as husband and Y as wife, okay? What is the couple? First couple is what? Ravi Vani. Second couple, Giri Sweta. On that I want to map them. For this simple, the function is Z. Zi is Z. First to first, second to second, all of the corresponding elements will be mapped here. Zip of X comma Y. But you will see one special wrapper object, you cannot see the content of it. To see the content of it, convert this into list. Now check this. Tell me your understanding now. What is the data type of this one? What is the data type of this one? List. Here in Python no address. That is the list. Each element, this list has 2 elements. Element 1, element 2. Each element is what here? Each element is what? Other the same person. Tuple. High level, this is the list. After that, each element is a tuple. The tuple has 2 things. The tuple has 2 things. What are those? Husband, wife. Again, here the second element. Husband and wife. By same style, try to work with your salary. I have 5 employees here, 5 salaries here. Come on, second one, tax. Third one, HRA. I am going to check all the 3 list objects. I am converting all the things into list. Now check the things. Please explain me this output. I said list of zip of salary, tax, HRA. He is my first employee. What is his salary? 10,000. His tax 1000 is HRA 2000. Similar to the last person. Last person salary 60, tax 6 and HRA 4000. Now high level, what is the data type? List. Each element is what? Tuple. Tuple has how many attributes? 3 attributes. Salary, tax, HRA. Now I can perform a loop. The looping style is, our general looping style is what? For as a salary. Like this we are saying. In the place of salary I am giving list of zip of salary, tax, HRA. Now each value is yes. What is the yes? Yes is a tuple. Tuple has 3 things, right? Tuple has 3 things, right? Yes, comma, T, comma, H. Now you can guess what it is. When you repeat, you are getting a tuple. The tuple is having 3 things. Here I said yes, T, H. Yes for salary. Second one, tax. Third one, HRA. Automatically everything is tracked into these things, right? Okay. Now let's print it. Print yes, comma, T, comma, H. Just up to now, just up to we are able to perform this loop or not. Got it? So it's S value, it's T value, it's H value. Okay. Come to our exclusive style. In this style, in this comprehensive style, T, comma, H. In list of zip of salary, comma, tax, comma, HRA. Is coming into S, tax coming to T, HRA coming into H. Then what should be the expression of the next salary? Salary minus tax plus HRA. Understand? Now print your next step. Got it. First person level is the original correct number and compare with all the values. There is a final equal to list of zip of salary, HRA, tax, HRA, net salary. Now compare all the things which is info. Little issue with my mouse pad. Look at last person. 60,000 is salary, tax 6,000, HRA 4,000. 60 minus 6, how much? 54. 54 plus 12. 66. That means the answer is correct. 66 is the take home for the last person. Understand? So previous sessions, list independent we have said, tuple independent we have said. Now is a combination of collection, within that one more collection. High level collection is list, within that sub collection is tuple here. In this way, by working with the real time data, we will be using nested collections. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Few more examples. After break, we will see. Now time is 11:30. Within 10 minutes, we will be back. Okay? Let's take a break.
స్మార్ట్ వెళ్తున్నారు ఫోన్ చేసుకోండి.